Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can fix ice buildup in your refrigerator. See, when there is heavy ice buildup, if you click on the defrost button or during the power cuts, the water will be collected at the back tray. So in this video, I'll discuss what you can do in order to prevent this ice buildup in your freezer or the refrigerator. See here, this is my brand new IFB refrigerator and currently there is no ice buildup. This is because, see here, when you press the manual defrost button, if there is ice buildup, water will be collected. At the end of the video, I'll show you how you can collect that water and dispose that water. Okay, and this is the knob given for the temperature control. So what I'm doing is, and I'm using this refrigerator for the past 8 months, so I'm keeping this in the eco mode. There is on and off and 7 temperature controls, but I'm keeping in the eco mode. See here, it is not visible, but it is eco. Okay, yeah, maybe I can go a close bit. Okay, for winter you can keep it to 1 and 2. For monsoon, anything between 2 and 4, and for summer, anything between 4 and 7, according to your area temperatures and everything. Usually, one thing, if there is very humidity in your area, then there is chance of getting ice buildup. So, what you can do is make sure the door closes properly. This rubber beading one, there shouldn't be any gap, there shouldn't be any leakage. So make sure there shouldn't be any leakage, and don't open the door of the refrigerator often. Means try to minimize the number of times opening the refrigerator. There shouldn't be anything, and when you keep any food materials inside, make sure that is not hot. Means don't keep hot things inside the refrigerator, because to make them cooler, it will automatically increases the cooling temperatures, means decreases the cooling temperatures. Thus, in fact, it leads to the ice buildup. So these things just follow, and I'll show you how you can collect. If the tray is filled up with the water, sometimes it will just flow on your kitchen floor. To avoid those things, and this is the refrigerator what I am talking, this consumes 128 watts per year, which is very less. And for the 8 months I have been using this, 8 or 7 months, yeah. Thick insulation, better cooling, auto convert to home inverter, but I didn't convert to the home inverter. Okay, 10-year warranty on the compressor, and quick ice cooling, ice cubes making. And the design is also very good. I purchased this for 17,000. And when you want to remove the tray, it's better to just switch off and remove the plug source, power source, and just move the refrigerator aside. And see here, for my refrigerator model IFB, there are screws, so I need to just remove the screws, then I need to take the tray out. Instead, there is no need to take this tray outside. Just dip a sponge or a cloth so that it sucks all the water, and in that way also you can clean. But just for the tutorial and educational purpose, I'm just I'm removing the screw and showing you. Okay, once again I'm saying this is just for the educational purpose. Okay, there are 2 screws. Here is the one and the other side one. Just keep them carefully, and once you collect the water, just dispose the water and clean it properly, and again keep it as it is. But it is always better to prevent the ice buildup instead. Okay, see, very little water, because in the past week there are like 2 days completely there is no power for my house. That's the reason some water has been collected here. Yeah, if you want a unboxing or the review video, you can check in the description for this IFB refrigerator. I bought this for 17,000 rupees. Okay, in Amazon, maybe I can give that Amazon link also, or I will attach in the view products. For details, you can check. So 3 things you just need to keep in mind. Don't open the door of the fridge often, means minimize, and make sure there is no leakage in the door, means proper closing of the door is necessary. And don't put hot items in the fridge. So and keep the temperature knob in echo or according to the seasons, then you'll definitely prevent this ice buildup. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.